Today we're going to do solving a rational equation. So the problem that we have is, y over y plus 4 plus 8y plus 28 over y squared plus 7y plus 12 equals 4 over y plus 3. So in this case here, we have an equation. It's not an expression, so we solve it differently. What we need to find out is what is our LCD, our lowest common denominator. And in order to do that, we need to figure out whether y plus 4 or y plus 3 is hiding in the y squared plus 7y plus 12. So we factor it, and so we know that that's going to factor into y plus 3, y plus 4. So we know that that's in there. So our lowest common denominator is y plus 3, y plus 4. So we want to get rid of the denominator. That's what happens when it's an equation. So in order for us to get rid of the denominator, we are going to multiply everything by our common denominator, which is y plus 3, y plus 4, and that's over 1. So it's a fraction. And so what we do is we distribute it to both sides, because what you do to one side, you're going to do to the other side. So writing that out, we are going to have y plus 3, y plus 4, and then times y over y plus 4. And that's the first distributive property, the first term. And then we're going to do it to the second term. So we're going to do plus, and then we're going to get 8y plus 28. I don't think that's going to be enough room. Oops, I don't know. Okay, erase. Let's erase that. Don't know what happened there. So we have, I'm just going to write it in the blue. So it's going to be y. It's going to be, and I'm having malfunctions here. Escape. Okay, so sorry about that. That was a malfunction there. So we're going to have y plus 3, y plus 4 distributed to the second term, and that's all going to be times 8y plus 28 all over y plus 3, y plus 4 equals, and then we do that one more time, distribute y plus 3, y plus 4, and then we get times 4 all over y plus 3. Okay, so now what we could do is we could actually cancel. And so we cancel this one here is a parentheses. We could cancel this one here because everything in the numerator is being multiplied. And same thing here, everything in the numerator is being multiplied and everything in the denominator is being multiplied. So we could cancel those, and then this one cancels with that. So once you have the lowest common denominator, if the denominator did not all cancel, then you have the lowest common denominator wrong. So then you'd have to go back and look. And then we are going to distribute. So we're going to have the final part there is going to be, okay, more technical difficulties. Y times y plus 3. Oops, no denominator because we got rid of it. Good. And plus 8y plus 28. And then equals equals 4 times y plus 4. Okay, then we distribute y squared plus 3y plus 8y plus 28 equals 4y plus 16. We combine like terms, so we have y squared. And then here we have plus, yeah, we could do it that way. So we're going to do, I'm just having a lot of technical difficulties. Sorry about that. Equals 4y plus 16. So we'll just do that. Then you subtract the 4 over, so you get y squared plus, you bring 4 over, so that's going to be positive 11 and a negative 4. So that gives you positive 7y. And then you bring over the 16, and so you end up with 12. So plus 12 because it's a positive 28 and a negative 16. And now we have a quadratic and we need to solve it. So in order to solve it is we put it in parentheses. And so we have y, we factor y plus 3 and then y plus 4. And then we have y is equal to, I'm sorry, let me just write the whole thing out just in case. Y plus 3 equals 0. Y plus 4 equals to 0. So y equals negative 3. Y equals to negative 4. And so those should be your answers, but one thing that we didn't do at the beginning is to find out our to find out our extraneous solutions. In this case, our extraneous solutions is we take the y, you take the y plus 4, set it equal to 0, y is equal to negative 4. And so it cannot equal that, so that's what an extraneous solution is there. And then let me rewrite that. Y equals to negative 4. And then we have the other one. So we have y equals minus 3 equals to 0, so y cannot equal 3. So these are the extraneous solutions, and so, it's a positive 3, so that's a negative 3. And so we know that y cannot equal negative 3, and y can equal to negative 4. So in this case, that's what it equals. So therefore, the answer is no solution.